Okay, Sina, we have a little time issue. Christmas party is starting in 1.5 hours and we need to go home, shower, get changed and buy some more stuff. How will we do it?
No, I cannot say that. You get banned.
We're f***ed up. Good morning for another vlog. Today we are on a special mission. Tomorrow is Magier Christmas party here in Berlin and we have some special surprise for the team. So just went to the grocery shopping because we have a special guest today.
How is it going? How are you doing? Good.
Right from Spain. He needs to focus. I know, but I want to see the master at work. This will be a crazy voiceover afterwards because we will show in just 30 seconds how we can turn this raw ingredients into the most delicious meal ever. What do you think about it, Sina?
I like it. I mean, we have already some tomatoes. I never bought so many different tomatoes in one turn. But yeah, excited for the stuff we need to get and if we find something. As you know, guys, I think, was Gerard in one of the videos before? I think he was. He wasn't. So we met Gerard in Barcelona and he is a private chef. And then for our Christmas event this year, I was thinking, where do we go? And I was like, okay, last year we did a restaurant. The year before we did a restaurant. And this time I said maybe it's nicer to make it a bit more private, to get a venue. And then I was like, okay, if we cook, that's not so fun for the team. So we said, okay, I messaged Gerard if he's up for a trip to Berlin. I pitched it quite good. I said Berlin in November, what can be better? And now we are here. And I'm excited.
Sina, we have a full box of food. What's your guess? How much?
It doesn't look so much. It's a lot of stuff I normally don't buy. I would say 300.
What would you guess?
Yeah, I think so. 3.5, something like this.
Okay, let's see. I will be behind the scenes looking. Sina, Gerard, what do you think? Did we get some good stuff?
Some good stuff?
Yeah. We have everything.
It was much less than expected, so we can spend more money on the meat and fish. That's good.
Now the whole menu will be destroyed, Gerard. Oh shit, we're fucked up. And here we will be looking for some Christmas presents for Sina. Some caviar. Okay, fully loaded.
I would say we are all not so good with guessing because we expected the first shopping be more expensive than both that we spent now.
It is Christmas, so we are bringing some guests over. Let's see who it is. Hello! You made it! Say hello to everyone! Hello! Ah yeah, you have never seen each other.
It's good that you haven't been here on Monday. On Monday it was like I need to work with a blanket.
Lunchtime again. So, Antonella, what was happening in marketing over the last 4 weeks?
So we've been implementing a new strategy on Instagram, actually. A new rebranding, revamping the account. Also, we've been shooting lots of videos from the team. Yeah, basically that.
And how is it going?
It's going amazing.
How do the numbers look like?
The numbers are okay, let's say. Yeah.
Some room for improvement?
Exactly.
Sina, what do you think about the numbers?
Which number?
I mean, on your bank account.
That's really bad.
Tomorrow is a Christmas party. We now got everything, went to the office, and now heading for a quick lunch with Sina and Antonella. And in the afternoon, we will spend some time talking about the marketing strategy, what's working right now and what's not working. Lately, we have been doing a lot on case studies, as you know, but we were also revamping the Instagram account and some LinkedIn content. But there might need to happen some changes also, for the strategy for the rest of the year and then for 2026. And then I have a couple of client calls also later. So let's see if I can get some new deals in. Sina, why is there a full cake?
Tomorrow is our Christmas event, and Matt is also coming from Leipzig, and it's also his birthday, so he's coming all the way. So we also need a proper cake for that tomorrow.
If you are not cautious, Sina, I will already eat it now.
Yeah, it can be. So I will not tell you where I hide it in the office.
So, Party Rock is in the house tonight. Next call. Sina, the big boss, on his way to work. These are the creative geniuses. So many people. Matt, what were you working on today?
Study help, my favorite client.
What did you do?
I designed a book for, I don't know if I can say it, a footballer who played in Bayern München before. Pretty impressive.
Sina, what is it? Okay, come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, man. Happy birthday. I'm not sure.
Okay, Sina, we have a little time issue. Christmas party is starting in 1.5 hours and we need to go home, shower, get changed and buy some more stuff. How will we do it? How will we do it? And how was the co-working day today with the team? What did you see? What needs to be improved?
I would say it was good. We had a nice cake from Matt's birthday. That was nice. Overall, I had a bit too many calls for a day like this. So next time I will just block it out so we can spend more time with the team. But overall, it was a good session.
Sina, next step, how long?
Hello.
Nice Christmas cards. Let's ask our cook, Gerard, what's the state of our meal?
Finished.
Finished.
Ready for eating.
You ate everything?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I ordered some.
Fuck, we are screwed. This looks like nice fish, and this is shrimp.
With the heads of the shrimps, and then the shrimp screwed in salt and olive oil, and some lime sauce.
Matt, what is happening? No comment.
Exactly, I'm speechless.
Zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Woo! Yuzi, how was the day? How would you describe the Magyar team?
It was so good, and the joke that Sonia made was like sometimes a bit problematic, but it was so funny.
Can you recall the joke?
No, I cannot say that. You get banned.
How was the day?
It was super nice. I ate a little bit too much. I already lost some weight, but I gained them again, so it's a very nice day.
How would you describe the Magyar team?
Yummy.
Lorenzo,
Yes.
give me the recap of the day.
Recap of the day. Well, we worked a little bit, and we had an amazing dinner with like a super nice private chef. We ate a lot of raw fish, raw meat, some cooked stuff.
Most of it raw.
Yeah, most of it raw, but it was amazing. Absolutely. Yeah, and now we're here.
And if you would ask Sonia one question, which question would you ask?
Sonia, how would you describe this dinner?
Fish, beef, fish,
No, with one
prawn.
With one word. One word.
Delicious. Bellissima.
Bellissima.
Bellissimo.
Ah, it's Italian?
Yeah.
Bellissima. No, buonissima.
Buonissima.
Bellissima is like beautiful.
Ah, buonissima.
Okay, Sonia, and if you could ask one question to Matt, what would you ask?
Who is your favorite designer in Massive Squad?
That's crazy. The toxic question, Sonia.
But in market? Maybe.
Massive Squad.
How can his favorite design not be Mark is the question?
Of course, it's Sonja, because Sonja is in my squad.
Who else is in your squad?
Furkan and Ege.
Furkan and Ege, this is for you.
Furkan, I love you.
Matt,
And Ege, I love you even more.
Matt, if you could ask one question to Antonella, what would it be?
Do you like to record your whole life?
Wow. Yeah, I enjoyed it. Yeah, I really like it. Like, I like to go back and visit these videos, and I'm like, yeah, I like it.
And Antonella, if you would ask one question to Sina, what would it be?
How much was this dinner? No, I'm kidding. From 1 to 10, how hard was it to plan this evening?
It was easy because I did it for the team I love. So no effort is too much.
From 1 to 10?
So it was a 1.
Yuzi,
You
you have a goodbye for the viewers today. What would you tell them?
Don't ever let your cat with Sonia.
Sina, Christmas party is over. Give us, please, quick recap of the day.
It was fun to organize. A lot of preparation needed. I think at the end we got everything we needed for the menu. Gerard could do his magic. The food was really good. I'm full. Some stuff is left, so for the weekend there's enough food at home. I think the team really liked it. Was really fun. Everybody was here until midnight. What time is it? Let me see. Yeah, exactly midnight. So it's quite good. We didn't destroy anything. I'm happy that it went as it went, but I'm also happy that tomorrow I know I don't need to take care of the preparation anymore, but already looking forward for next year. Let's see. Bye bye.